Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you demonstration how to use TikTok family pairing. TikTok has added a new features called family pairing, so parents can make sure their kids and teen are safe on the app. Watch this video and learn how to enable family safety mode and make use of those parental controls. So let's start as a demonstration. Open your TikTok app, go with me, and three dots are come. You click here, and here one options are come, digital well-being. I click here as a digital well-being, and then next family pairing options are come. I click there, and after clicking family pairing, so who is using this TikTok account, parents or teen? Suppose for example I control with my kids and searching which types of content looking of younger brothers and younger sisters or my kids. We can restrict them and control by using this feature. Suppose for example you are a parent, go with next and continue, and this barcode you can scan with your children mobile or brothers or sisters mobile. This barcode comes here and you can scan and automatic tackle both accounts, yours as well as your kids, your younger brother or younger sister. So it's very simple and helpful features introduced by TikTok app. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.